case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1962, the Oklahoma Supreme Court heard the case Peevyhouse v. Garland Coal and Mining Company, which centered around a dispute between Willie and Lucille Peevyhouse and Garland Coal and Mining Company. The Peevyhouses leased their farm to Garland for coal strip mining purposes in 1954. And though both parties fulfilled their obligations, Garland did not restore the land as agreed upon, leading to the Peevyhouses suing for damages for breach of contract. At trial, the jury awarded the Peevyhouses only $5,000, less than the cost of the remedial work, and Peevyhouse appealed and Garland cross-appealed. The Oklahoma Supreme Court ruled that the measure of damages must be based on the cost of performing the work not done, or the diminished value of the property due to non-performance. They ultimately decided that the jury's judgment was excessive and instructed a $300 award to avoid economic waste from cleanup operations. The case partly led to strict land reclamation regulations in Oklahoma after mining operations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.